Here we go. Nice little tomato egg breakfast experiment. First, take 1 tomato per serving per person that you want to make breakfast for. Then cut off the tops of the tomato. Okay. Next, we're going to save those, put those aside, and we are going to core the tomatoes, basically cutting out the insides. Go around the edge at an angle towards the bottom. We're going to leave approximately 1/8 of an inch to a centimeter something on each one of the sides, enough to create a cup or a little bowl for all of the ingredients that we're going to add here in a minute. I'm using a soup spoon to help scrape out and core the insides of the tomato here. Get all of the seeds out and all the extra juice that you can. Just be really careful, go slow if you need to. Don't want anybody to slice themselves or get hurt here. Now, as you can see, I'm using a spoon like a shovel. Okay, if you can't get all of the seeds and everything out once you core and scrape the inside, you can give it a really quick rinse with cold water underneath your sink if you need to. Okay, and as you cook, some of that juice is going to come from the tomato, so just get out what you can right now. There we go. I'm going to grab a casserole dish. We're going to put down those tops, and they're going to work to balance the tomatoes in the casserole dish. Another way to do this is to use a muffin tin if you want to, but I think that this works just as good and it's going to be easier cleanup for me. Okay, next, the inside, we're going to stuff the tomatoes. I'm going to use white cheddar. Mozzarella works really good too. Put about 1 ounce or so, a little bit, in the bottom. Next, whatever seasonings you want. As you see, I'm adding parsley. I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. A little bit of pepper, oregano, thyme, whatever you feel like works best for you or you like the taste of. Next, crack 1 large egg per tomato, just right there inside it'll rise to the top. And there we go. 1 egg per tomato. Okay, now whatever seasonings you want, I'm adding a little bit of basil. You can add some extra pepper, extra salt, Italian seasoning, whatever you want, and then top with a little bit of your favorite shredded cheese. Now, when using eggs, I like American cheddar, so I'm going to use about 1 ounce of cheddar per, and put it in the oven for 450 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, now we plate, and I'm going to do a cross section so you can see what it looks like here. Now just push that casserole dish to the side there. Wait a second. There we go. Okay, now when I cut this open, you can see all that tomato juice is just going to spill out all over the plate there. The egg cooks, pretty much rises to the top or sets at the top. So you'll see the layers here. There's the egg right there on the top, cheese right underneath it, and then the tomato and all the juices at the bottom. One little bite at a time. The egg, the cheese and tomato. And it's really good. Try this. I think you will really like it.